Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. I'm Matt again, A to Z Auto Masters. Today we got this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Came in with a check engine light, P0128, thermostat below temperature. Usually 99% of the time in those trucks and in Jeeps in general, this thermostat has to be changed. And they come with the housing. You have to change the complete thermostat housing. So we'll show you how to change the thermostat on those Jeeps. Please make sure if you learned something new from this video or if that video is helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so we got the truck up in the air. I'm gonna take this plate off so we can access the radiator drain plug. Okay guys, so we'll take these two bolts out right there. Hose clamp. And you have that sensor, in air temperature sensor. Do not break it. Make sure you disconnect that. Right there. Make sure this comes out. That's the thermostat right there. Thermostat housing. I'm gonna take this clamp off and the two 10mm bolts. It's holding it. Hose clamp. We'll clear the hose from the thermostat. And the two bolts. And here's two. Okay guys, so we got the new one back. That's the original part number right there if you need to use the same one. Right there with no thermostat. One bolt here, one bolt there. Okay, we put the hose back and the hose clamp goes back. Now we can put everything back together. Here, don't forget to plug the sensor. Time to refill. Okay guys, so we opened that bleeder, we filled up the radiator all the way up, and now we closed the back the bleeder and the car is running and making sure it's completely full. You don't know what's the bleeder, top of the thermostat, right there, you unscrew this, add the fluid, add the coolant until it starts coming out of here, and then you close it back. That's basically it. Just gonna let it run, make sure confirm the fan is kicking in. That's an indication that the thermostat open. And let it cool off and check the coolant one more time. And basically the job's done. Thank you for watching.